Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change icon of your USB. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. First, download and install Adobe Photoshop CS6 software from the given link in the description. Also, download this ICO format zip file from the given link in the description. Then extract it. Now cut this file. Then find plugins folder in your Photoshop directory. Now open file formats folder. Then paste that file here. I've already pasted that file, so I'm not pasting it again. Then open your Photoshop. Now open a photo of someone you'd like to use for this project. When you open it, then click on Image, Mode, and 8-bit channels. After that, click on Image again and click on image size. Now change your both height and width to 256 pixels. Now go to File and Save As. Save it to your desktop. Write its name and change its format to ICO Windows icon. Then save it. Now go back to your desktop. Now create a new text document on your desktop. Now open it. Now type same as me. Now write your picture name here. For this example, my picture name is Icon, so I'll write icon.ico. Then go to File and Save As. Write its name autorun.inf and save it to your desktop. Now plug in your USB and move that autorun and icon to your USB. Now plug out your USB. Now plug in your USB again. Now as you guys can see, I have changed my USB icon. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's